Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the fall Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. Now for full transparency, I was sent one to review. I also ordered one at the time that they launched. So if you don't know what the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box, it is a quarterly surprise box where there's sneak peeks of each box. We don't really get to see everything that's in the box. And sometimes they're more lifestyle related than planner related. I know that there's been a lot of feedback about the boxes recently. Myself included. I haven't purchased a seasonal surprise box in quite some time simply because I just wasn't impressed with a lot of them over the last couple of years. And I decided fall is my favorite, so let's see what this one is all about. Now, one of the things that I do love about this seasonal surprise box is that every single item is exclusive in this box. The team over at EC made a lot of changes with this seasonal surprise box that I think were very welcome changes by the planner community. And one of them being a surprise box where you really can't see the contents of the items, and then all of it just being available on the website later on is kind of frustrating as a consumer. So I'm actually on the side of being very glad that the items in the box are completely exclusive. So boxes by now should have started shipping. If you ordered one, I hope that you got a shipping notification. If you are someone who does not like spoilers and you want to be completely surprised by this box, now is your time to leave. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna get right into it. All right, here we go. So this is the outside of the seasonal surprise box. Normally this is like the start of the sneak peek, right? They'll show us the outside of the box and it's sort of indicative of what's going to be inside of here. So the seasonal surprise box does retail for $40 plus free shipping. That is one of the benefits. If you order it, they waive the shipping fee. Now they do like to say that the value is $80. Of course, I think that's a little bit subjective. It's more like a retail value, like what they would sell each item individually for totals up to $80. But really it's going to depend on if you think that the items are worth that or not. So let's go ahead and jump right into the box. So when you do open it, you've got this beautiful quote inside that says, "When you find balance, you find peace." And that seems to be the overarching theme of this box. I'm going to go ahead and take all of this out of the box so that you don't have to hear all of the tissue and all of that stuff. Okay, so like I said in the introduction of this video, for the first time ever, they've offered some additional options for you when you purchase the box. So traditionally, in most of the seasonal surprise boxes, there has been an interchangeable cover. Now, since the introduction of some A5 size products like the A5 Daily Duo and the journals, etc., the A5 size has increasingly become popular. So for the first time ever, an A5 cover is an option. So you get to choose between these two cover designs, and I have each of them in both sizes. Now, I think you guys would already know, if you know my style, this one right here is my absolute favorite. And then you have this second style here that you can choose between the 7x9 size or the A5 size. They are both honestly just beautiful. This one's definitely like a woodland creature vibe, and this is like a hand-drawn fall leaf sketch situation. I really love both of them. And like I said, every single item in this box is exclusive, but I can definitely see Erin Condren releasing something similar to that, but not exact, which is kind of nice to, you know, you're taking a risk spending your money on a box, like you should get exclusive items, you know. So that is the first item. I love both of these. I love that they've started including covers again, and this was an absolute yes for me. Next up, we have the Mid-Century Circles Fine Tip Pen Duo. I actually really like these because for once, it's not a ballpoint pen. I think I've been pretty vocal about this. I'm not really sure what is with the death grip of Mid-Century Circles. It's like we just can't get away from it. I would love to see them have a box or a launch of some sort that doesn't have Mid-Century Circles. It's not to say that it's the worst pattern, but it's like, why has this thing continued? I think that there could have been a different pattern used on the pen. Nonetheless, I think that they're nice pens. So they are a roller ball ink type of pen. They are black ink, thank goodness, and they come in sort of this mint color and then this darker teal color. Both are very, very beautiful. All right, next up are the gold metal asterisk binder clips. I really like well, first of all, I love gold out of all of the metals that they offer. As you know, the asterisk is very on brand for the Erin Condren brand as a whole. I think that these are really cute. I think that they would be a nice like gift. I do worry that they're gonna bend after a while, but I guess it just depends on how heavy of a use you're using them for. I will say it's kind of hard to see, but they are pretty thick, so I don't see it really bending, but these are pretty neat, and I think that they're just honestly just cute, like better than some just basic plain binder clips, but they are really, really pretty. It'll be interesting to see if they decide to offer these in other metallics while leaving the gold the exclusive one, or if they're going to offer some other designs, but this is a yes for me. I really do like these. All right, next up is a metallic sticky notepad. So the foiling on here is gold, and it's got some of the same leaf accents that were on the cover. This is really cute. So you've got an area for today's top to-dos, today's self-care, and you have plenty of notes pages, and they are sticky about, you know, just at the very top there, not the whole thing being sticky, so that's kind of cool. And let's see if it fits on a ruler. I have a feeling it's a little bit wider, so you might need to use one of the other dashboard snap-ins to stick it to, but yeah, it's a little bit wider than the ruler itself. I don't know, I'm always concerned with the stickiness of the Erin Condren sticky notes. This does not feel that sticky, to be quite honest. I'm gonna pull off another one and see if maybe that one was just, I don't know, doesn't seem sticky enough for me. That one's sticking a little bit better, but it left behind like a lot of sticky residue, like actually on the sticky note. So I don't know, I think there's some work there to be done with the adhesive that they use on these, but they are cute. I will say that much. Next up is a sheet of stickers. Again, it just goes with the entire theme of the box with the colors, the drawings, the gold foil. I think that this is very well done. I personally love that they just included one sheet. It'll be interesting to see if they bring something back like the sticker subscription that they used to have. I thought that that was really neat. I liked that it was seasonal, but if they're going to include stickers in the seasonal surprise box, that's just as good also. But I really do like this. This is very cute. It's going to be cute in a daily, weekly, monthly, wherever you want to use it. This is a nice set of stickers. Next up is a zipper pouch in the raspberry ombre color. I can see them bringing this out in different colors. I do like the pink color. It's all of the accents are gold on here as well. And the zipper pull has a cute little asterisk on it also. The inside is just sort of like an off-white or a white canvas. It seems kind of wipeable. And then it's got two additional pockets as well, so perfect for storing everything. So this one goes all the way down, and then of course this one is just a little bit shorter. Perfect for all of your pens and things like that. These pens fit in here perfectly. You can toss in your binder clips, whatever other planner supplies you want to throw in here for on the go. You could even use it for other things like makeup, your electronics, and such. So this is really cute. I'm a sucker for a really cute pouch, so I can't really hate on this. It'll be interesting, like I said, if they go ahead and add this to the website in different color variations. And to be quite honest, it would have been nice to see it in this darker teal color as well, but it does go along with the overall theme that they have for this fall box. All right, and the last part of the main box is a cup. So there has only ever been one other cup in a seasonal surprise box. Coffee cup, I should say. And this one is really, really pretty. It does have gold foiling, gold on the handle. It says change is beautiful. Now, I'm not fond of the pink color. I was really hoping that it would be this color or maybe just a cream, something a little bit more neutral. Personally, I don't consider pink to be neutral, so there's that. It's a cute cup though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a sucker for cups, so I am not mad about having a cup in the seasonal surprise box. I know a lot of us have asked for other lifestyle sort of related things like cups or things that are acrylic, things like that to sort of add value to the box. So this was a nice change. So this year there is an add-on option to the seasonal surprise box that will only be available at the time when you purchase your box. And this year it is the Daily Balance Journal. It does come with this beautiful gold foiled cover and on a gold coil. I didn't see any other option when I ordered my additional box, but I do really like this cover a lot. This is really, really pretty. Now it does come at an additional cost of, I believe, $24, which in my opinion is a very hefty price for a notebook, but I think that they're considering costs like it's $10 for the gold coil, it's an additional few bucks for a foiled cover. Otherwise, I think that this is more like a $15 book, so it'll be interesting to see if they offer a different variation of this that doesn't have gold and all of the upgrades that we don't necessarily need. But it does go with the overall theme of the seasonal surprise box. So just to walk you guys through this, it does come with a guide of how to use this journal for self-care. I think that this is actually a really nice book. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's great. So you've got your checking in, what's important, what balance means to you, adjustments that are needed. This week, your top priorities, what balance looks like, your self-care, gratitude, or joy. I do like that these pages are very blank for you. So you have like this list, some lined areas, an open box, a place to write the date, and you've got several pages of that. And then you go into the next week and it's the same thing. Honestly, this would make a great daily planner, especially if you don't need a dated daily planner. This would be great for that. At the end of the week, you get this area where it's like how the week went, what you're proud of, and what you're carrying into the next week, which I love that. And you're gonna get that at the end of every week, and then you're gonna get the upcoming week priorities and goals. So this is just gonna be, in my opinion, a really great option if you're not ready to jump into a daily duo. Even though this was supposed to be exclusive to the box launching, I would really like to see this become available in some other variation on the website, because I think this would be beneficial to a large part of the community that doesn't need a daily planner. So this is great in my opinion. Like I said, I just think the add-on to the $40, I think $24 is pretty steep. So I do hope that they offer something else that's a little bit more, that makes a little bit more sense price-wise. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of the fall Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. Let me know if you guys ordered a box of your own. Fall is my favorite season, like I said, probably multiple times, but I think overall this box was done really, really well, and I am really loving the new options that they offer. I hope that that is something that they will continue to do in the future. Obviously, all of these decisions are driven by sales and customer feedback, so we'll see how it goes from here, but this was a really nice, much needed change of this seasonal surprise box. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.